What is up YouTube, and welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. On today's video we're going to work on the boat again, and as you can see our complete engine ran into. We disassembled the complete engine. Nothing is salvageable anymore except for the camshaft and our heads and other items like the exhaust. And unfortunately our pistons are the biggest oversized for a Chevy small block. So unfortunately our short block is dead. The crankshaft is dead as well because it turns completely oval due to the heat. So we need to find ourselves a new engine. So let's go back in time and show you guys what happened. Okay guys, so we went out with the boat today to test drive if everything is okay after we changed out the spark plugs and new oil. And unfortunately this happened. So I pulled the valve covers to check if it wasn't one of the valves that went completely bad or bent, any bent push rods or whatsoever. This is not the case. It's really the bottom end of the engine that has gone bad. I really think one of the bearings went bad on the tire, on the rods, on the crank. I will throw back on the carb, let it run, let it idle on the hose if she wants to start, and let you guys hear the sound. So that's definitely Woody the Woodpecker in that engine. I think it's something like a rod knock. So we need to remove the engine again and rebuild it again. Hopefully we can find a long block somewhere for a reasonable price. But this is not how we expected to end the weekend. Always remember to remove your drive before pulling out the engine.
So much, but don't know if I can trust you. My mind's racing fast, trying to find the red flags I'm used to. these green lights, are they coming too soon? Caught between red and the green and you. I'm stuck in the blue.
Okay guys, so we are managed by all luck to get ourselves a long block for a 5.7 Mercruiser. Luckily we could still use our intake and other parts as well, like the exhaust, the carburator, and what we did is change out the timing chain just to be sure. All that's left to do is throw on the rest of the accessories, throw her in the boat, and hopefully we got a lot more luck than with the old engine. With that being said guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below, and make sure that your post notifications are on as well, so you don't miss out on how this engine performs in our next video.
Try to catch me howling at